Well, are you trying to locate a form ID in HubSpot but not sure where to find it? Whether you're integrating forms with your website or setting up advanced tracking, finding the form ID is essential. In this quick guide, I'll walk you step by step through the entire process. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find it without any confusion. First, log into your HubSpot account. Go to the HubSpot homepage and click on the Login button. Enter your email and password, and you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Marketing section from the top navigation bar. Hover over Marketing, and from the drop-down menu, select Forms. Here you'll see a list of all the forms you've created within your HubSpot account. Find the specific form whose ID you need. Once you locate it, click the Edit option next to its name. This will open the form editor. Now, inside the form editor, look for the Share button. Click it, and from the options that appear, choose Embed Code. A new window will pop up displaying the embed code for that form. Inside this code, you'll find your form ID. It's usually a string made of numbers and letters. This is the unique identifier for your form. Copy it if you need to use it for integration, tracking, or embedding on your website. And that's it! You've successfully located your HubSpot form ID in just a few clicks. This simple process helps you streamline your workflows, whether you're adding forms to your website or integrating them with other tools. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick HubSpot tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next.